Let's go over this question. Are the expressions equivalent? Yes, no, and why? I have 2x minus 3 squared, in parentheses squared, and is that equivalent or equal to 4x squared minus 9? Okay, let's make sure that we all know that what I'm about to do here, this is wrong. Okay, so the student might think that you can distribute this power of 2. And so they think that you can get 2x squared and negative 3 squared. Again, this is wrong. Okay. So then they think, well, 2 squared is 4, x squared, x times x is x squared, and negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So they would say, yes, they are equivalent after simplifying. Remember, I just told you that it's what? It's wrong. Okay. The reason why this does not work is because the laws of exponents do not work with this subtraction sign right here. The laws of exponents only work if it was something like 2x times 3 to the second power. Then you can do something like this. You can distribute that 2 in this case. That's called the power rule. But you cannot do that with this one because of the subtraction sign. So let's do this question properly. Erase, erase, erase. Go, go, go. Two x minus 3 squared. What that means is there's two of them, 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. And what I would do is, because you have multiplication here, we can use this box method here. So I have 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3. We're first going to multiply, and then we're going to add or combine like terms. Okay, so let's multiply. 2x times 2x gives me 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 gives me negative 6x. 2x times negative 3 gives me negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 3 gives me a positive 9. So 4x squared has no other terms. Negative 6x minus 6x, because again we are adding our combined like terms. You're just looking at the numbers in front. So negative 6 minus 6 is a negative 12x. And then there's no other term that has just a constant or no x's, so that would be a 9. So is that equivalent to 4x squared minus 9? The answer is no, they are not equivalent. Why? After simplifying, the expressions are not equivalent. Let me give you guys another way of showing that they are not equivalent. Okay, you could graph it, the quadratics. This would be a little bit hard to show, but you can graph it, or the one I want to show you guys is by substitution. So if you just put in x equals 1, and you put that in here and here, and see what you get. So if you did something like, let's rewrite it, 2x minus 3 squared, and then you just put in a 1 here, you would get 2 times 1 minus 3, then this expression squared. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 minus 3 is negative 1, and negative 1 squared is 1. Now if we did that for the purple, 4x squared minus 9, we put in x equals 1 here. Okay, we have to be careful here of our order of operations here, PEMDAS. I would have to do the parentheses and exponents first. So that means this one would be right here. 1 squared, 1 times 1 is just 1. And then 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Is 1 and negative 5 the same number? They are not equivalent. Okay, so a couple ways to show that they are non-equivalent. See you guys.